Welcome back to another video of Mind Matrix. On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 vanished without a trace. 239 passengers and crew disappeared into the night, leaving behind one of the greatest aviation mysteries of all time. What really happened and why? After a decade, do we still have no clear answers? It was a routine flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. The Boeing 777 took off at 12:41 a.m., carrying passengers from 14 different countries. Everything seemed normal until it was not. At 1:19 a.m., the co-pilot made his last audio transmission. Good night, Malaysian 370. Minutes later, MH370 transponder was switched off and the aircraft was vanished from radar. It never arrived in Beijing. Search and rescue teams immediately sprang into action. But there was a problem. Nobody knew where to look. The flight's last known location was over the South China Sea, but no wreckage was found. Then came a shocking discovery. Military radar showed that MH370 had made a sharp turn, heading west instead of north toward Beijing. But where? With no official explanation, theories began to emerge. Did the plane suffer a mechanical failure? Was it hijacked? Or did the pilot intentionally crash it? One theory suggests that Captain Zahiri deliberately diverted the plane on a suicide mission. Investigators found that he had practiced flying a similar route on a home flight simulator. But would an experienced pilot really take 238 innocent lives with him? Another theory suggests that MH370 was hijacked, possibly by a terrorist or passenger. But no group ever claimed responsibility, and no solid evidence was found. Would the technical failure have disabled communication and left the aircraft flying on autopilot until it ran out of fuel? If so, why didn't the pilot send a distress signal? For years, there was nothing, no wreckage, no signals, no clues. Then in 2015, a piece of MH370 wing called a flaperon washed up on the shores of island in Indian Ocean. More debris was found in African coastline and nearby islands. Despite years of investigations, advanced technology, and global efforts, MH370 remains one of the greatest aviation mystery. Some debris has washed up on the distant shores, but the main wreckage was never been found. Without concrete evidence, theories continue to circulate. Was it mechanical failure, human intervention, or something even more mysterious? What do you think happened to MH370? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.